Shaken or Stirred June 19 celebrates the cocktail that started as something called the Martinez. National Martini Day on June 19 honors a drink with roots in Gold Rush, California. The original Martinez mixed gin, sweet vermouth, bitters, and a cherry for a traveler heading home. The dry martini emerged later, stripping sweetness in favor of gin and a whisper of vermouth. James Bond's preference for vodka is an apostasy the purists have not forgiven.
Dry martini.
Oui, monsieur.
Wait. 3 measures of Gordon's, 1 of vodka, half a measure of quina lily, shake it over ice, and then add a thin slice of lemon peel.
Yes, sir.
The beverage drinking cluster fills the calendar. National Rosé Day is June 13. National Cognac Day was June 4. And National Dive Bar Day comes July 7. Pour yours however you take it and visit nationaltoday.com for variations. Shaken, stirred, dirty, or dry.